Hello everyone, welcome to All Things Venus. This is Aishwarya. Join me on my Instagram here. And please don't mind if I don't reply to the DMs. Lately I've been getting a lot of DMs. But I do read all the comments, and I do read all the comments especially about, when you guys request me to react on something. So somebody's reacted, not reacted, somebody's commented that they really enjoy, like the best of the reactions that I've done so far are of Only Desi, Dabang, Revisit, 5M. He does such a clever thing with this 5M, right? The moment you look at it, it just immediately gives you that impression of, 5 million views kind of an impression. Just the way he cleverly places the text, Let's watch. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
आपका कितना बड़ा है? हाँ? मैं भी यही सोच रहा हूँ सुबह से। वैसे है तो बहुत बड़ा है। झूठ मत कहिए मेरे से, नहीं है ना? रूम तो सच में बहुत बड़ा है। Salman Bhai and his boomerang mustache with Hulky Sunny Leone are here as couples, जिनके बीच का age gap is probably as big as the age gap between you and your parents. But fuck it, movies में age और logic भाई नहीं देखते हैं. So scratch your balls and be ready to enjoy a movie with an amazing intro fight that they copied from Hollywood. An epic climax fight that they also copied from other movies. Hey, but at least गानों के visuals तो copy नहीं किए. God damn it, Bollywood. It's a story of Chulbul Pandey, who hates his stepfather क्योंकि उन्होंने उसकी कुंडली दिखाने से मना कर दिया था. So he chops it down, and now it looks like.
अरे बेटा, इससे भी कोई नीच ख्याल हो तो मन में ना रखो, वो भी बता दो हमको.
Oh come on, we live in a country जहाँ कुछ लोगों को ये logo भी offensive लगता है. I mean, you have to have a really dirty mind to see anything wrong in this. किस human का leg और thigh same size का होता है?
Exactly.
It doesn't even have a booty. This could be offensive.
That's what
and
I
this
thought.
could be really offensive, but this is not offensive. अपनी एक country जहाँ लोग बोलते हैं अरे खाली तो बैठे हैं, चलो offend हो जाते हैं. But no one got offended when the movie showed a police officer disrespecting women throughout the movie.
खाना लगा दूर क्यों रही हो? यही मूर्ति बन के खड़े रहोगे तो, वरना थप्पड़ मार के भी दे सकते हैं.
देखिए किस तरह चुलबुल पांडे falls in love with रज्जो, एक बहुत ही गरीब गांव की लड़की जो सिर्फ डिजाइनर बैकलेस ब्लाउजेस पहनती है. अबे ऐसा कौन सा गांव है इंडिया में जहाँ की लड़कियां मनीष मल्होत्रा के सेक्सी बैकलेस ब्लाउजेस पहन के घूम रही होती हैं?
अरे भाई वो तो गरीब है ना, पीछे का बनवाने के लिए कपड़ा ही नहीं बचा होगा.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
तुमसे शादी करनी है हमें.
And in her response, she covers 2 more inches of her blouse. Because that's exactly what led him to propose her. Yeah, why do they always show it like men only want to marry for sexual pleasure? We care about other things too.
हाँ वो तो विवाह के रिविजिट में देख ही लिए थे.
प्रेरणा बनकर आएगी कि हर पल को तुम्हारे साथ बांटेगी, तुम्हारे दुख आधे कर देगी, ये खुशियां दुगनी.
But Rajjo can't leave her dad.
बाबा को छोड़ नहीं सकती.
तो चुलबुल बोलता है
जब तक तुम्हारे बाबा मरेंगे नहीं, तुम शादी नहीं करोगी.
Now she's mad.
हम उनका परलोक सुधारने का इंतजार करेंगे.
Now she is really angry.
तुम्हारे लिए.
And now she's blushing. यार ऐसे लड़के किसी को कैसे पसंद आ सकते हैं? लेकिन घर आने पे माँ को जैसे ही पता चलता है कि एक यूपी बेस्ड स्टोरी में चुलबुल ने रज्जू से दहेज की बात तो की ही नहीं. Okay, first of all, I can clearly see her breathing. Look at her chest. But thank God मर गई, वरना टेनेट की जगह दबंग 3 कर रही होती. और रज्जो के भी बाप के डेथ के बाद चुलबुल मैरी हर द सेम डे because that's the most logical thing to do in Bollywood.
लाइफ बना रहे हैं हम तुम्हारी.
I mean, if you really think about it, he's not wrong. लेकिन सुहाग रात के दिन रज्जो एक बात जानना चाहती है.
आपका नाम क्या है?
By the way, she never said हाँ to marry him in this movie. लेकिन इस मूवी का विलन है छेदी सिंह, और ये तो मूवी में भी किसी को पैदल घर जाने नहीं देता.
कहाँ टहल रहे हो? कोई परेशानी? बैठो गाड़ी में.
But what we are really here for is Munni. Damn, she's hot. अरे लेकिन गाना प्ले कर दिया तो टी सीरीज वाले मेरे ऊपर चढ़ जाएंगे. Yo Anshuman, why don't you do one of those, how to make music like T series in 2 minutes?
Okay, so here's how to make a Bollywood song in 2 minutes. Step 1, remix an already hit song. Just don't mess with Masakali. Step 2, get a car and shoot a music video. That's it, you're done. चल ले चलो beyond तुझे आसमान तोड़ के hide from puppy like
Oh, it's original.
24K. Can we move on 2020 पीछे छोड़ के New Year resolution gone 1080 to 4K. करती तो यू है हजारों memes तेरे लिए ही save करता हूँ compare अफेयर किसी से भी करवा लो, शर्मा जी का लड़का हूँ तेरे घर के नीचे, सुबह से शाम लोग बातें करे वही उनका है काम, बनी धीरे 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 हम यहाँ से आम, मैं हूँ मुन्ना जिसके लिए हुई मुन्नी बदनाम। लगाती तूने फायर बेबी, यार तेरा लायर बेबी, बना के मुझे फीट से की वायर, बना दे मुझे शायर बेबी। लगाती तूने फायर बेबी, यार तेरा लायर बेबी, बना के मुझे फीट से की वायर, बना दे मुझे शायर बेबी।
David, can I play your secret chord? Let me tease you, please you, my lord. Her game you take a drag to the top of Billboard. Shawty in that red sari, man, I'm never getting bored. Hey, what is he gone? Open Ache, Prada leather bag, silk from Versace. Taste like sugar candy, make some patache. I'm right here, girl, तेरू ध्यान की आँच like Robin Hood Pandey. लूँगा तुझे loot, but I ain't the bunk. That's only Sonu Su, long distance only. We don't feel lonely, bad things with Mowgli. She's just doing only.
लगाती तूने फायर बेबी, यार तेरा लायर बेबी, बना के मुझे फीट से की वायर, बना दे मुझे शायर बेबी। लगाती तूने फायर बेबी,
This could be a really good party song.
बना के मुझे फीट से की वायर,
When I have a house party, I'm so playing this song. Oh. So this drone reference was for only Desi made a song on Bharo Mang Meri Bharo. So this drone reference was for that. In that song also what happened was drone last में घूम जाता है. So इसमें भी घूम गया. That's what. Oh, and I loved it. Do I have to even say it? Was it not obvious from my reaction? Just in case if it was not obvious, just in case if you didn't get it. I loved it, and oh my god, can we talk about this song? This was a really good song. It was like, it is a remix of Munni, but this is a good remix, you know. Very rarely does it happen that somebody would take an original song, make a remix. Very rarely the remix is better than the original. In this case, this is better. Like, I think I like this song more than the original Munni Badnaam Hui. I would like to put this song, I think this song is gonna go in my long drive playlist and also my house party playlist. Not that I have house parties, but if ever I have, you know, a girl can dream, a girl can dream. So that's the reaction, and follow me on Instagram to see what I do every day. I sort of post my day-to-day things and about skincare. Men and women both can use a little bit of my dog. So if you like a dog, he's a lab, you can follow me there. Let me know what did you think of this. Let me know in the comments below and tell me what else do you want to watch me react to. And I uploaded a really good video for skincare for men and women, for all skin types, affordable and high-end options. So do watch that. I'll put the link somewhere here. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Aishwarya. You do you. Bye-bye.